So tell me, what is the full meaning of KFC?
Kitchen fried chicken.
Again?
Kitchen fried chicken.
It's another day and we are right here on your screens here in Amasamai. It's quick question right here on Cooking with Sindeko, where the heat is hot and the questions are hotter. So today we are asking all around town, between cooking home and then actually buying food from outside, which is more costly? So join us and let's hear what people have to say. So we have Abdul here to share his ideas. So Abdul, how are you?
I'm doing well.
Do you really like eating outside?
Oh, why not?
Then between buying fast food and then cooking at home, which one do you think is more costly?
Costly.
Yes.
I think buying outside.
Buying outside is more costly. Why?
You know, in fact, look economically, things are not good these days. You understand? When you go outside to buy, let me say, takeaway or something, you almost spend about 35, 40 Ghana cedis. But at least with this amount, you can even prepare banku with okra stew with at least 7 people to manage in the house. You understand? So to me, buying outside is more costly than preparing food in
So Mr. Castro, my question is, buying food outside and then actually cooking at home, which is more costly to you?
Well, in terms of cost, I would say cooking at home is more costly, yes.
Why? Cooking at home instead?
Yes, with 10 CDs, it depends on the individual. With 10 CDs, you can go and then buy your wachi and your egg. I'm Amasamai. So 8 CDs and then maybe egg 3 CDs. That's 11 CDs. But I think it's very difficult for you to prepare rice with 11 CDs.
So to Mr. Castro, buying food outside is more cheaper than actually cooking at home, right?
Yes, but one thing is, if you want to buy it in bulk and then you cook it with time, I think that one is cheaper.
Yes.
But if a day you want to spend on food, I think preparing is somehow expensive than that.
Have you ever tried KFC before or had KFC?
I've had KFC. I've tried, but I didn't buy it myself. A friend bought it for me.
All right, then, Mr. Castro, what's the full meaning of KFC?
Wow, come on. It has escaped me, so I know it's an American product company, but the actual name has escaped me. Yes.
So you can't really tell us what the full meaning of KFC is.
That is it. Yes.
All right. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. All right, Benel. Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you so.
So Benel, between cooking at home and then buying food from outside, which is more costly to you?
So I prefer cooking at home because it's less expensive.
Any reason why?
Oh. You know the economy now. You can't buy food outside. And still, how much is your monthly pay? And then comparing buying food outside and then cooking in the house. I prefer cooking in the house.
So Benel is a lover of cooking home, but then have you tried fast food before? Have you ever eaten KFC before?
Oh yeah, that's why I said I prefer cooking in the house because.
But then have you had KFC before?
Yeah, I've had.
So Benel, tell me, what's the full meaning of KFC?
Okay.
Full meaning of KFC, Benel?
KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Again?
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
And you are so sure?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much, Benel, for having us. And that's a wrap for it for today. I believe you heard what people had to say, their exciting opinions as well on their takes on the question for today. And it's still a quick question right here on Cooking with Sindeko. I am Didi, your host for the day, and we hope that you subscribe, like, and share as well. Follow us for more content because there is more coming from where this came from. See you same time. Bye-bye.